guys, how's it going? Welcome to today's session. Today's a bit nippy, so I've been wearing trousers, okay? But it's fine. After we're gonna warm up, everything should be okay. So today we're gonna do some weights. I'm gonna focus more on the legs today, okay? So we're gonna do a warm up first, and afterwards I'll go grab my weight and we can crack on. I forgot my drink, and I've been drinking from a plastic cup. But it's fine, so I'm not going to keep that with me here, okay? So make sure you do have your drink with you before we start. And that's it. Let's start with the warm-up. I need to warm up a bit and take it from there, guys, okay? Let's go. Hope you guys are okay. Yeah, it's nippy, man. It's nippy. That's it. Let's go. Jog on the spot. Let's go. Keep going. Nice, and crisscross the arms. Oh, I'm so everywhere, guys. Everywhere. I've been doing some workouts, and I feel it literally everywhere. Good, crisscross. Excellent, guys. Now, both the arms up and down. That's it. Good. Breathe. Oh. Nice. Hurts. That's it. Keep going. Nice, guys, and now rotate. So head follows. Good. Excellent. Keep it going. Nice. Good, then jumping jacks. Let's go. That's it. Cross your arms. In and out. That's it. In and out. Easy. Nice. Excellent, guys. And now shuffle. That's it. Good. Every day I'm shuffling. Keep going. Good, guys. Now Cossacks. Up. Oh my god, my legs almost went Bambi mode. That's it. There's always something with me, eh? That's it. Nice. Let's do some lunges, guys. Yeah, my legs almost went jelly. Turning down. So breathe. Yep, excellent, guys. Low. Nice one. So catch your breath, good. Nice. 4 more. Just up. 3, 2, good. 1, and rest. Good, guys. Now from here, wide stance, touch your toes, relax the back. That's it. Side to side. Excellent. Relax the back, good. And let's go, squats, 15 repetitions. Bum down. 1, 2, 4, good, 5, 6, well done. 7 is out. 8, 9, 10, 11, good. 12, let's go. 13, 14, one more. And kaboom, nice one, guys. So please get a drink, have a drink. I'm gonna go grab my weight, okay? I'm gonna use a dumbbell for the whole session. Well, it depends. If you need to drop the weight or increase the weight, obviously you might need to use 2 dumbbells. But I'm gonna use 1 for the whole session. And that's it, okay? Good. So have a drink and I'll see you guys in a second. Kaboom. Right, team, so for the first one, I'm using a 20-kilogram dumbbell. Again, this is just a reference, okay? So ideally you want to use something that you're comfortable with. So even if you need to start the exercise, let's say you start on a 15 and you do a few reps. If it's too heavy, drop the weight. If it's too light, increase the weight. It's not rocket science, okay? So you need to feel comfortable. We're doing 12 repetitions. So if you, after 10, you start to be wobbly and a bit you find it quite challenging, that's a good weight. If you do 12 without blinking, that's too light, too easy, okay? Keep up, keep up. So guys, this one, it's single leg deadlift. So keep the weight close to your thigh, and from here, shoulders back, and you hinge back, and you reach towards your opposite foot. So if my weight is on my right hand side, I'm reaching towards my left foot, okay? This back foot, back leg that hinges, it helps a lot with your balance. Because if you keep it here, it's hard to do it. But look, when I'm down, I'm actually bringing this foot back, and that allows me to hold my balance. I'm still going to struggle, but it makes things easier. So it's this kind of motion, right? Hinge, up, and you can. 12 repetitions each, 1 minute rest, and repeat that 3 times. That's it. Ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hinge, 1, controlled, 2, good, 3, balance guys, 4, and again, nice, 5, up. If you need to put your foot down, feel free to do it. 6, let's go, oh, 7, up, nice, 8, 9, 10, oh, it's burning, 10, 11, 12, nice, the other side, good, let's go right, 1, this foot is not as good, 2, nice, 3, 4, oh, 5, good guys, 6, 7, good, 8, it's time to keep your balance, 9, 10, 2 more, nice guys, last one, last one, slow, calm, and rest, good. If you want to be close to wall guys, rest a minute, sorry. If you want to be close to wall, so in case if you do lose your balance, you can post your hand to catch yourself, okay? So feel free to do that. Good. It's hard because it doesn't just work the hamstrings and the glutes. It's good for your core as well because it challenges your balance. Good guys. So I'm not an expert at this. I'm keep practicing to get better there, and it's hard. Good. I find it easier if I use 2 weights because that gives me more balance. 20 seconds, guys. Breathe. Good. Nice. It's fine. As soon as you do the warm up, you start to feel much better. You get all these endorphins kicking inside your body. Alright guys, you ready? Same thing, 12, yeah? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hinge back. That's it. 1, good. Hinge. 2, let's go. That's it. 3, 4, easy. Nice. 5, 6, good. 7, 8, 9, let's go. 10, 11, and 12. If I wait too long at the top, I'm losing my balance quicker. That's why I'm trying to do it without pausing. Okay, let's go. 1, balance. 2, good guys. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go 4 more. 3, 2, last one, and rest. Nice. Took us 1 minute and 11 seconds to do that, so guys. But if it takes you longer, if it takes you 2 minutes to do this, so guys, there's no competition, okay? You are trying to do it at your own pace, with your own weight, with your own struggles, okay? That's it, it's your journey, not mine, it's yours. So everybody has different struggles. Some of you might be doing this, you're not even blinking when it comes to balance. Maybe you were like a ballerina or something in the previous life, or this life. I'm trying to say, you might find some things easier and I might find them difficult, and the other way, okay? Good, 15 seconds guys. This is the last round there, okay? Good. Heart rate is 110. Good, 10. You ready? Good guys. Good. 4, 3, this round's go hinge, balance, 1. That's it. Oh, see, I'm talking. That's it. 2, good. 3, let's go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, let's go. 9, 10, good guys. 11, 12. Come on, last 12. This side. 1, 2, 3, good. Balance. 4, good guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 more. 3, 2, breathe, let's go. Last word. And rest. Excellent guys. Nice. Alright. Good. So you guys catch a breath, have a drink if you need to, okay? You got 2 minutes rest, and I'll see you guys explaining the second exercise, okay? I'm still gonna use the same weight, okay? Good, enjoy rest, I'll see you guys in a second. Well done team, so now to the second one, okay? This is a bit more complicated, I would say, because it gets your legs, you need to explode and get your arms as well, okay? But we're only going to do 10 repetitions on this one on each side. So it looks like this, okay? So from here you're going to have a split stance, so 1 foot forward, 1 back. The back one is the same side where you have your weight. And from here you're going to explode with your arm and you're going to drop down into a line. So it looks like this. 1, back down. 2, back down, okay? I'll show you from the side. If you need to pause the video, re-watch again, that's fine. So split stance, and I'm basically almost dropping below the weight, okay? So I've already done 3 reps. If I do a few more, I'm not going to be able to do the exercise. So guys, here, I drop down and I lift the weight. When I explode to lift the weight, I'm keeping my elbow close to my body and not flaring out, okay? If this is too heavy, it might be, I'm not saying, drop it, just go lighter. You can't use a kettlebell for this one, unfortunately. And if you do, you need to be very good handling the kettlebells because your wrist control should be good. But if not, you can use a dumbbell, you can use a plate, okay? So it's fine, good. So we're doing 10 repetitions each side, guys. So like I say, split stance, make sure your feet are square. From here, I go 1, back, 2. So see, I drop down and the weight goes up. Simple, all right? 3 sets, 10 each, rest a minute in between. Good, ready? Right, I'll face sideways. Set my legs first. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, down. 2, good guys. 3, 4, nice. 5, good. 6, 7, 8, let's go. 9, 10, nice. Let's go to the other side. Up, good guys. It's the same thing. Here, let's go. 1, 2. Keep your weight close to your body. 3. Let's go. 4. 5. Let's go. 6. 7. Let's go. 8. 9. Explode. And 10. Nice. From the first session we did the other day, I got some skin coming off my knuckle, which is fine. This time I was pushing pressure there. Pushing pressure? Putting pressure. I think I need a sip of water. You guys rest. Good. So this heart rate 120. So this kind of gets you high going, man. Good, I love it. Nice, guys. Right, 25 seconds left. Inhale, breathe, catch your breath. That's it. Good, guys. Nice. Good, I feel good. Hope you guys are feeling good too. Right, 7, 6, 4, same thing. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So split stance. 1, 2, 3, let's go. 4, 5, 6, 7, up, let's go. 8, 9, 10, brilliant. The other side. Let's go. Split stance. 1, 2, 3, 4. Balance. Let's go. 5. Good, guys. Let's go. 5 more. 4, 3, 2. Last one. Nice. Good. Rest. One more set, guys. So, quick lesson, guys. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but have you noticed when I'm doing weights, the form, the technique, is more important than getting 100 reps. Even though, I mean, we're counting reps, but it's not similar when we do bodyweight stuff and hit, when you kind of keep going. Here, if you feel yourself losing the balance, losing control, you stop, you reset, and you go again. Because you don't want to keep going with a bad technique, because you can injure yourself badly, and we don't want that, okay? So yeah, you lost your balance, it's fine. Just reset, make sure everything is in check, and boom, you go again, okay? So it's slightly different than when you do hit and you go and you do 200 repetitions, okay? Here is to be controlled. That's what we're using resistance, okay? We're putting pressure on the muscles in a different way. Good. Right, get ready? Last day, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll face you guys. Split stance. Let's go. 1. Good. 2, 3. Let's go. 4. Down. 5, 6. Let's go. 7, 8. 2 more. 9. Good. 10. Good. Well done. The other side. Last round. Let's go. Good, guys. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1. Breathe, balance. 2, 3. Let's go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more. Last one. And rest. That was brilliant, guys. Well, good, well done. Another 2 minutes rest, guys. And I'm going to show you the third exercise. And afterwards we're done, kaput. Enjoy rest, have a drink. I'm going to go drink from my plastic cup. I'll see you guys in 2. Well done. Well done, team. So for the last one, kit number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to use this. I'm using the same weight. Again, if you need to drop it, that's fine. Okay? This is more like a hybrid. A hybrid between a deadlift, let's say, Zercher deadlift, and a squat. Okay? So I'll explain. We're going to keep the weight close to our body, okay, in front of us. Okay? So here, get a good grip. Okay, you might have to hold it this way. I prefer hold it this way, but if not, you can hold it here. It will be hard because you might drop it. So I'm gonna keep it nice and tight here. Good. So from here, guys, feet quite square. Okay. So shoulder width. I do a hinge back. When I'm standing, I'm doing a squat. So I go hinge to squat to hinge to squat, and you keep a hinge and a squat is classed as 1 repetition. We're doing 15 repetitions. So we need to be careful with the hinge. When you go down, you make sure your hips are going back and your back stays nice and straight. So see here, my back is nice and straight. I'm not arching like a cat in the litter box. So here, hinge into a squat, and I carry on. 15 repetitions, that's all. Okay? The rest is a minute. A minute sounds Scottish. The rest is 1 minute each, okay? And that's it. 3 sets. You ready? Steady, steady. Try to do that squat quite deep as well. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. So a hinge to a squat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's go. 6, that's it. 7, 8, good guys. 9, 10, 5 more. 4, good. 3, nice. 2, core tight. Last one. And rest. Nice. Good. Rest a minute. Oh, it gets the arms as well, doesn't it? Nice one. So guys, waist is very close to your chest. If you let your arms pull you forward, it's game over. It's going to start pulling you back. That's why keep it close. Good. It is tough, man. Very good, guys. Catch your breath. 2 more sets, then we're done. Yeah, so basically on this one, it's 2 exercises in one, okay? So it kind of spices things up a bit. With 20 seconds. Nice. After this, go have some supper. Not supper, lunch. So go home, have lunch, edit the video, post this, it'll be online by tonight. That's it. Not bad. Not a bad shout. 3, 2, 1. Same thing. Let's go. Grab your weight, guys. Make sure get a good grip of it. Nice. Let's go. Hinge to a squat. Hinge. 2, 3, 4, 6. Nice one. 7. 8. Good guys. Let's go. 9. Keep your core tight. 10. 5 more. 4. 9. 3. Let's go. 2. Up. Last one. And rest. Nice. Oh, my arms. I can feel my arms go like that. Good guys. Oh, I feel like I want to sit down, but that's not allowed. Don't sit down. Good guys. One more round and we're done. One more round. Very good. Very good guys, well done. Sharing the pain with you. It's good. The pain that's going to make you better is the best pain. Disappointment, muscle pain, there are different kind of pains, eh? Heartbreak, it's good. Oh, I get so, what's it? Philosophical when I train. Blood probably is rushing through my brain. Right guys, this is the last one, we need to make it count. It's the only way. It's the only way. Okay? So, same, 15, palm down. Let's go. Here and here. Good. Let's go. Hinge to a squat. 1, 2, 3. Good. 4. Easy. 5. Control, guys. 6. Easy. 7. Core tight. Let's go. 8. Nice. 9. Let's go. 10. 5 more. Let's go. 4. Down. 3. Good. 2. Last one, guys. And rest. Wow, that was good. Oh, guys. I'm not faking this shit, guys. I'm not faking this shit. Wow, guys. Right, put this away. And we're gonna stretch. Right, give me a second so I'll catch my breath. Ooh, feels good. Feels good. Alright, obviously we've done more legs, so let's start with the legs. So pull your ankle to your bum. Okay. Hold it right. Legs are jelly. Good guys. Up. 2, 1, good. To the side, balance. That's it. Calm, focus. That's it. Good. Balance. Good guys. Hold. 3, 2, 1, good. Now find an object that's quite high up. So around knee height. From here, the leg that's on, stay straight. Reach forward, grab your toes, touch, and pull. Good, relax. Good guys, hold it. Good, now keep it there, and now reach to the foot that's on the floor. So relax. Nice one, guys. Now we do the same thing. Let me think. If I do it here, so I don't need to keep my bum at the camera. So guys, here, straight legs.
Again down, reach in, keep this leg nice and straight. It's burning me. Honestly guys, I feel 1000% better. I was feeling better before I started, but now I had all these endorphins rushing. Right, now reach down, relax. Good. Right, up. If you guys go from a wide stance here, go up to side, shift this hip to a side, down, hold it, that's it. Relax. The other side, great. Hope you guys are not skipping the stretching, okay? I'm not just doing them to fill up the time, they're good for you, okay, here. Because if you message me saying, Alex, I'm tight, I got an injury, I'll be like, have you been doing your stretching, mate? And if you say no, well, stop being lazy. Now, with that being said, guys, they're very important, okay? Let's go now on the floor, guys. Here, that's it. So keep your chest down, hands close to chest. Now peel your chest off the floor, relax, good, head up, hold it there, good. Arms locked, relax the back, good. Bam, 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 good. And last one, guys, right on your back, bring your knees to your chest and pull it tight. Here, that's it, hold it. Good, relax the back. So relax. Head down. Good, guys. Brilliant. It's so relaxing. 3, 2, 1, and done, guys. Oh, it's good, eh? Very proud of you guys. Well done. That's it for today. Like I said, this month I'm going to do more weight training. So you guys have them in the library. If you ever need to do, or not need to, if you ever fancy doing more weight, you have more options to pick from, okay? That's it. Well done again. I'll see you guys in the next session. Well done, guys. See ya.